Definitely do appreciate the breathable air caps versus the dome cap because once you put on a dome cap, it's like wearing a hat outside. That's what it feels like a hat with hair on top. It's just too much, and that heat is just right there on top of the cap. But with the breathable one, if the wind blows, you'll be able to feel it through your head to your scalp because that's how much they put the air in between it. Not only that, I think that the air caps also leave room for adjustment as far as the elastic band. Everyone's head shape is a little different, so I think with a dome cap, it's just that set dome shape. It's either going to be too big or going to be too small. But with an air cap, it gives that stretch and that room to be able to, go with somebody's hair comfortably without having to do too much. Not to mention the silicone bands in the inside that you guys put with the silicone grip. Even better. So I definitely love the fact that there is no full coverage of lace. I think that is one of the things that irritate me the most with the heat when it comes to a wig. For some reason, like it could be laid and tacked down really, really good, but even then, it's just something about being able to feel it, and the heat makes it just want to come off. So I can definitely wear a wear and go wig all day.
Period.